Now's the time to give your home that spring fresh feeling only clean carpeting can provide. Are you looking forward to spring? Soon buds will be blooming, birds will be chirping, all outdoors will come alive with the freshness of spring. Don't you wish you could bring some of that spring fresh feeling into your home? You can, you know. Remember what your home looked like, what it felt like, even what it smelled like when the carpet was brand new. It was fresh, beautiful, a pure joy. Good news, you don't have to replace your carpet to recreate that feeling. We will return your current carpet to spring fresh, like new condition with our restorative carpet cleaning process. It doesn't matter if your carpet is 1 year new or 10 years old, you'll love the difference when we're done. 4 reasons to have BioClean clean your carpet. Carpet is expensive. Professional cleaning will keep your carpet investment looking new for years to come. Dirty entryways, hallways, and other heavy traffic areas will look great again. Airtight homes leave allergens and airborne bacteria no place to settle but into your carpeting. Allergy, asthma, and cold sufferers breathe easier with clean carpet. Next time your kids stretch out on the carpet in front of the TV, they won't be sharing the space with dust mites and other dirty carpet critters. The number 1 reason to have your carpet cleaned is you deserve to remember what your home looked like, smelled like, and felt like when your carpet was new. Restoring that like-new feeling is our specialty. And if you call now, you can save money with our pre-spring specials. Pre-spring Pottstown client specials expire March 31st. $20 off carpet cleaning, $15 off upholstery cleaning, $10 off pet odor removal services. Guaranteed, you won't pay 1 cent until you are 100% delighted.